prevent you from keeping up with the rest of the world. Everybody's moving fast. Either keep up or Evelyn Harper with Forever Fit. Welcome to the Fit in 5 series. Might go over 5 minutes, but it will always be under 10. Let's get started. First things first, you're going to find a little bit of wall space and sit to where it feels uncomfortable, just a little bit, because it's only going to get more uncomfortable, and you're raising your toes up. If you start to feel like your feet are squished up against the front of your shoe, well then walk your feet back a little bit. You can also do this without shoes. In fact, that might be better, so you can spread out your feet, spread out those little toe muscles. The older you get, everything just starts to shrink and pull in, so it's nice to get everything spread out. This is a green thumbnail workout, so it is for all levels. You can make this harder by sitting deeper into your sit, or a little bit easier by coming up top. But all these workouts are in support of our joints, so just be mindful of how your knees are feeling. If this is putting too much pressure on the front of your knee, I would just come up a little bit more. Let's do 5 more here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. All right, you're going to walk your feet out just a bit, and now we are raising our toes up, like so. This is going to feel like a different, like you're working muscles that maybe you're not used to working. Like I feel this in my quads, and I also feel it in my shins. Hopefully you can see it a little bit. My shins are working, just flexing it up, building up these muscles in support of our joints to alleviate any aches or pains or discomfort that might prevent you from keeping up with the rest of the world. Everybody's moving fast. Either keep up or get out of the way. Let's do 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be burning. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I'm feeling the burn here in my quads. All right, let's get right into our get-ups. I love these. If you've been watching any of these videos, you'll know that these get-ups are one of my favorite movements. If you're not there doing it on one leg, go ahead and put your other leg down for assistance. Try to only put a little bit of weight here on this side. If this feels like it's too much pressure in your knee, put more weight in your heel, driving up with the weight in your heel. You can also bring that foot out a little bit further to feel it more in your glutes. You'll also feel this in your shins, especially after doing that exercise on the wall where we're bringing our toes up. You can make this exercise harder by going lower with your box, your couch, your bed, whatever you're using, and going slower through the movement. Let's do 3 more. That's 1. When you stand up, don't straighten this leg all the way. Keep it faintly bent the whole time. Last 1. Good. Shake it out. Let's do the other side. Three. Let's go to 10. 4. 5. I started training like this, very joint health, when I tore my ACL. It's coming up on 2 years. Maybe 3 years. I did it in 2021. So coming up on 3 years ago. And then I got the surgery over a year and a half ago. So since then, I've just started doing all of my workouts very joint focused. When I started training like this, I realized that a lot of my muscles were like crispening up. There were smaller, finer muscles that were developing. Being like, oh, we can help, we can support. So it's helped me become a lot more aesthetically toned, but also I just feel like my joints just feel very mobile, they feel healthy. I used to never be able to touch my hands together behind my back. I can now do that just by using lighter weights and moving all the way through the movements has been my key to my workouts. Let's do 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is really burning, so I'm going to keep talking through this. And also with doing all of these workouts, I started doing them after my mom took my Fit in 5 course, which is all about aging with ease and simplifying fitness. So a very keep it simple fitness approach, whether you want to keep up with family, friends, just have this bomb career. That is what it's about. Small tweaks every day so you can create this life you're working toward. All right, that is it for now. Hope you enjoyed this workout. Next is a pink thumbnail, which is a little bit more challenging, but there's always modifications. So I would check it out if I were you. See you in the next video. Over and out.